Yeah, I think once my mum and dad understood it more and I started speaking to them about it, when they read the book, first of all, that was a shock to them. That was a big shock because they had no idea. He's the only person in the world that knew was Wendy.
Yeah.
My friend Rob. I used to go for a walk with my friend Rob on a Friday. We'd walk about 8 or 10 miles, end up in a pub, have a few beers, and then And when he read the book, he said to me that when you were suicidal, that was when we were doing our walks. I said, yeah. He said, well, how comes I didn't know?
Yeah.
You don't, and this is when we all keep telling people to reach out, and it's right. If people have got it in them to reach out, then brilliant. That's what you want. Ideally, that's great. Reach out for help. But from a lived experience that I've been through, is that that's the last thing I'm going to do. I'm not going to reach out and ask for help because back to all those things we just
Yeah.
spoken about.
Yeah.
That means I'm weak. That means I'm vulnerable. That's not being a man. All
Yeah.
of those things, and that's why you end up keeping it into yourself.